Hey, what's up guys? Today we're unboxing round 2 of ePBT Cool Kids designed by Biip. Let's go ahead and hop right into this product page. While we're checking out this product page, be sure to hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss any future content. There was a couple of changes here between round 2 and round 1. Round 2 did have a little bit different kitting, and they did introduce this colorful kit, which is these colorful smileys that were not available in round 1. Round 2 also included the Numpad kit separate from the base kit, which personally I don't like the trend of Numpad kits not being included in the base kit. I wish they would go back to that being a standard part of the base kit like it was a couple years ago. There's also a backpack kit available, which is going to be your non-standard size and 40 sized modifiers that you may need for your build. There's the pencils kit, which is just there are 4 different colors of space bars available in a 6, 6.25 and a 7U. There was the rubbers kit, which is going to be your split spacebar support if you need split space-bars. There was the smileys kit, which I wish I could have gotten an extra one of these, but it was sold out by the time I was aware of extras. I really like the smileys from round 1. That was one of my favorite things about this keycap set, aside from the sporadic letters and, you know, just the whole childish feel of it, I guess. There was also available, I don't know if all vendors had this, but KBD fans had, you could get a base kit, a colorful kit, and a smileys kit all in one, which I purchased 2 of those personally. There was same desk mats, I believe, as round 1, the smileys in a line, the smileys in a pattern, the cool smileys, and the line smileys but cool. Don't know where they came up with the name for that one, but it is what it is. Like we said, this was designed by Biip, not Pip. I apologize, Biip, if you happen to see this video. These were PBT keycaps. They're cherry profile. They're dye subbed. It says the multicolored keys are reverse dye subbed. I don't even remember there being multicolored keys, but okay. The colorful kit is PBT double shot. Okay, that's new. So the colorful kit here is a PBT double shot, whereas the rest of it is dye subbed. So without any further ado, let's get into this box. Also, this cost me, I purchased, like I said, 2 of the combination kits with the base, smileys, and the colorful. I purchased 1 of the Numpad kits, 1 of the backpack kit, which, in case you don't remember, that is like your different sized modifiers, your 40s kit basically. And I ordered the rubbers kit, which is your split spacebar kit. It cost me a total of $440.94. The shipping was $33.50, and that's well, they split the county tax, so my state tax was $19.63 and the county tax was $8.26. The subtotal before shipping was $379.55. $33.50, that's pretty pricey. I've noticed KBD fans seems to have gone up on their shipping, where it used to be a $20-$25 range. It seems like most of the stuff I'm buying nowadays is $30 and up. As you know, it's coming from China, so shipping is going to be expensive. Let's get into this. Ooh, I scratched my box. I use this one because it usually doesn't go deep enough. All right, so I've got 2 base kits here, and everything else in bags. Get this box out of here. We'll just yeet that way for now. Cool Kids, round 2. Let's open up this one that I scuffed the box on. So the box looks exactly like round 1. I should have brought that over here before I recorded the video, but as you can see, that's just a paper sleeve. It's got a Biip's logo, KBD fans on there, and smileys all over the bottom. Let's take a look at this base kit here. So if you haven't seen Cool Kids before, it's, I believe, designed to look like it was drawn on by kids, hence the name Cool Kids. You can see it's got these all sporadically aligned, there we go, sporadically aligned alphas. The modifiers, are actually straight. They're mostly icon, not text modifiers. The colors don't really seem to be put on in any certain pattern. They're all just kind of random, with the exception of the modifiers where they match on both ends. As you can see, the caps lock and the enter are both green, the shifts are both blue, and then your control, alt, and function keys match one another symmetrical on the different sides. The base kit here, you've got your alphas, your F1, your numbers, your standard size stuff. Here you've got in the other tray. So I don't know why they put an empty tray in here, but hey, that gives me somewhere to put all this stuff that's in bags. I believe that was probably what originally held the Numpad kit in round 1, so they probably didn't want to redesign packaging. So as you can see here, everything looks good. There's no blurriness. Got your nice, all your icon modifiers, your icon modifiers, and your end cool. All that stuff looks good. Real crisp legends, just like round 1. I didn't expect it to look any worse than round 1, and round 1 was great. I don't know why. This is one of my favorite keycap sets. I didn't realize how many people didn't like it until I posted that extras were available in Discord, and all of a sudden everybody started hating on it, and I was like, okay, I thought everybody loved this set. Guess I'm alone in this. Still, I bought it because I like it. So, you know, to hell with the haters. Haters are going to hate, right? So these colorful kit, this is new. This was not in round 1. And these are double shot PBT. So, I don't think they're the exact same colors that match the smileys, maybe. But the colorful kit here is kind of cool. You got a colorful escape, you got some colorful arrows, and you got a bunch of different smileys. They're not all the same row profiles, so you've got ones for different profiles, different row profiles. You got a couple escapes here. Like I said, you've got your arrows, and then you've just got these different smileys of all different row profiles. So let's get you a little zoom in on that. Sorry about the camera wobbling. I guess I should have let it go a little easier. But yeah, so that is... Get that brightened up a little bit for you. Why is it so dark? And why isn't it adjusting? Oh, wrong way, sorry. What's going on here? Come on, camera. I don't know why it's going right back to dark. It's not letting me adjust it. I apologize for that. See if we can get a little brighter for you there. So as you can see, these are crisp. These double shot PBTs looking good. I didn't know ePBT did double shot PBT. Hopefully we'll see more double shot PBT kits from them in the future. So these are our, what do they call it? It's not a spacebar kit. Rubbers kit. I guess rubbers like rubber erasers maybe. So we've got all the different colors here that are the same colors that match with the colorful, and the split space bars to give you split space bar support. I won't bother pulling those out for you. They're just standard plastic, solid color, nothing special there. The smileys are just smiley face keycaps here. They're also in all different row profiles, so you can use them throughout different parts of your board without having to have weird uneven profiles. And then this here is the Numpad Kits. Let's get that out. Take a quick look at the Numpad Kit here. As you can see, it's just your standard numbers and your symbols for doing math. You got your num kit, and also on the numpad the numbers are kind of misaligned purposefully like they are on the letters. And then here we have the 40s kit, or as they call it, the backpack kit, where you have, well, your extensions slash 40s. I guess it's not technically a 40s, it's more of an extensions kit, where you get all of your different sizes in case you need a unusual size for your board. You also get a couple of these here for split spacebar support. Guess that's about it for ePBT round 2. Thank you, or excuse me, ePBT Cool Kids round 2. Thanks for checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope to see you back for more videos, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your week. See you later.